Hello everyone. Now I represent the most funniest way which will help you to learn the modern periodic table. The periodic table has 118 elements and it is really very difficult to remember these elements in order of their atomic number. So I have come up with strategy how to memorize these elements easily with lots of fun. I am sure at the end of video you will be a master of the periodic table. This is a colorful periodic table. As you have seen, it contains 4 blocks: S block, B block from 13 to 18, and D and A block. And it also contains 7 periods, number 1 to 7. First, let's start with S block. It contains 2 groups, 1 and 2. In one group, hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. So the easiest tricks to remember these elements: halina, के रूबी साजाबे फ्रांसी. Very interesting sentence. Halina and Ruby. Halina के हाइड्रोजन, लिथियम, सोडियम, पोटेशियम. Ruby साजाबे फ्रांसी. Rubidium, cesium and francium. These are called alkali metals. These are called alkali metals. Now the question is how to remember the atomic number of these elements. It's very simple. Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. So first write down the number of periods: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. When we move down the group and across a period, the atomic number is changed 1 to 2 by 2, 2 to 3 by 8, 3 to 4, 3 to 4 also by 8, 4 to 5, 4 to 5 by 18, 5 to 6 by 18, 5 to 6 by 18 and 6 to 7 by 32. So we get the atomic number of the elements: hydrogen 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 8 equal to 11, 11 plus 8 equal to 19, 19 plus 18 equal to 37, 37 plus 18 equal to 55, 55 plus 32 equal to 87. So in this way, in the S block, we get the atomic number of these elements when we across the period and adding this number serially to 8, 8, 18, 18 and 30. Okay. This is group 1. Group 2. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. How to remember these elements? Biryani, Mughlai, Kebab. Beryllium, Mughlai for magnesium, Kebab for calcium. সরিয়ে বাটিতে রাখ, সরিয়ে বাটিতে রাখ। ওকে, সরিয়ে স্ট্রনসিয়াম, বাটিতে বেরিয়াম, রাখ রেডিয়াম। These are the interesting food. So we remember these elements. Beryllium, beryllium, biryani for beryllium, Mughlai magnesium, calcium, Kebab calcium, সরিয়ে strontium, বাটিতে barium, রাখ radium. Okay, these are called the alkaline earth metals. And in this way we get the atomic number 4 plus 8 12 plus 8 20 plus 18 38 plus 18 56 plus 32 equal to 88. Next, let's start with D block elements. It contains the group number 13 to 18. Group 13, boron family. Group 13, boron family. Boron family. Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, helium and neodymium. Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, helium and neodymium. Tricks is boron অল্প খরচে গেল, বোরন অল্প খরচে গেল, বোরন, অ্যালুমিনিয়াম এন্ড গ্যালিয়াম। কোথায়? ইন্ডিয়া, আয়ন, ইন্ডিয়াম, থাইল্যান্ড, TL, helium and Nigeria. Okay, Nigeria, neodymium. And we get the atomic number. Start from boron. Boron 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 18, 31. 31 plus 18, 49 plus 32, 81 plus 32, 130. So, in case of P block, the atomic number is changed from 8, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32. Okay, 8, 18, 18 and 32. 8, 18, 18, 32. Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, 18 to 32 and 32. Okay, তাহলে in case of p block elements the atomic number is changed in the sequence 8, 18, 18, 32 and 32. So remember the sequence. First element we get the atomic number of second element by adding 18 and so adding 18, 18, 32 and 32. Carbon family, group 14, carbon family. Carbon family. Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead, Fe, ferrovium. Currency, tricks are currency in Germany, okay. Carbon, C for silicon, germanium, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead, ferrovium. সৌমেন পাবে ফ্লিপকার্ট। ওকে, everything is obtained from Flipkart. So currency in Germany, carbon, silicon, Germany, সৌমেন পাবে ফ্লিপকার্টে, মানে SN, BB এবং ferrovium. The atomic number is changed in this sequence. Carbon 6, so silicon 14 plus 18, 32 plus 18, 50 plus 32, 82 and 82 plus 32 equal to 114. Okay. Next, nitrogen family. Nitrogen family group 15. These elements are called pnictogens, also called pnictogens. Okay, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth, moscovium. The tricks are Narayanpure arsenic, okay. Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic. তবে সবচেয়ে বেশি অ্যান্টিমনি, Sp, সবচেয়ে বেশি অ্যান্টিমনি, বিসমাথ, ওকে, সবচেয়ে বেশি মস্কো, সবচেয়ে বেশি মস্কোভিয়াম, Mc. atomic number 7, 15, 33, 51, 83, Moscovium 115. Okay. Then oxygen family. Oxygen family. Oxygen family. Oxygen family. Group 16. These are also called chalcogens. Chalcogens means pore forming elements. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium, livermonium. Okay. Oxygen, sulfur. The tricks are very simple. ওরা আমরা সবাই, সো অক্সিজেন সালফার, ওরা আমরা সবাই অক্সিজেন সালফার। সেলিনার টেবিলে, সেলেনিয়াম টেবিলে, টেলুরিয়াম, ওরা আমরা সবাইয়ের সেলিনার টেবিলে পড়লে ভালো। অর্থাৎ পোলোনিয়াম and livermonium Mg. These are called chalcogens. Atomic number 8, 16, 34, 52, 84 and 160. So students, you can take the screenshot of this class and write down the tricks. This will help you to remember these elements of the periodic table. Next, halogen family, group number 17, halogen. Halogen family. Halogen family. Group number 17. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and astatine, tennessine, TS. Okay. How to remember these elements? Fish cannot breathe. Fish could not breathe. Fish could not breathe. Fish. Chlorine could chlorine, breathe bromine. In air. In iodine, astatine, in air, tentatively. Fish would not breathe in air tentatively. Correct? Atomic number 9, 17, 35, 53, plus 32, 85, plus 32, 170. Okay. Chlorine, bromine, iodine. In air tentatively. Astatine tentatively, tennessine. 170 element is tennessine. At the end of the P block, the last group 18. These are called noble gases. Noble gases. Noble gas. Group 80. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon and oganesson. Radon and oganesson, OG. How to remember this? Helium, neon, argon. Helium, neon. R Korisna Xerox. Argon, R Korisna Xerox. Krypton, xenon. R Korisna Xerox ray. R for radium. Oh God. Oganesson. So the elements are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, oganesson. Na R Korisna Xerox ray. Oh God. Helium, argon, krypton, xenon, radon and oganesson. Atomic number 2, 10, 18, 36, 54, plus 32, 86, plus 32, 108. So I just finished the S block and P block. Next, let's start with D block and A block elements. When we move along the period and we remember these elements of D block and A block along the period, we know along the period the atomic number is increased by 1. So D block elements start from scandium. Okay, we write these elements along the period. D block elements. These are called transition elements. D block elements start from scandium. 21. Scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper and zinc. So along the period, atomic number increased by 1, 21, 22 and so on. At zinc it is 30. Okay. The tricks to remember these elements: scandium থেকে শুরু, scandium, Sachin Tendulkar. So Sachin Tendulkar, scandium, titanium, very crazy man, very crazy man. Vanadium, crazy for chromium, man for manganese. Free coaching to Nihar's Kaji. What does it mean? Free coaching. Free, F, iron, coaching, CO for cobalt, Nihar, Ni for nickel, Kajins, copper and zinc. Okay. These are transition elements. These are called transition elements. Transition elements. And it belongs to fourth period. Fifth period. Yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, ammo, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver and cadmium. Atomic number. Just remember it. Moving down the group and the period 4th to 5th, atomic number is changed by atomic number is increased by 18, 21 plus 18, so 8, 39, 40 and so on, and we get cadmium. Atomic number is 48. How to remember these elements? The tricks are very simple. Your zebra and monkey. Zebra and monkey. Why? For yttrium, zebra, Z for zirconium, and N niobium, monkey ammo for molybdenum. Travel on rough road. Travel for technetium, rough ruthenium, road rhodium. Like passengers, palladium from Agra to Canada. Agra, AG, silver to Canada. Cadmium. So yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver and cadmium. Okay. Sixth period. Sixth period is called third transition series. Sixth period, lanthanum. Start from lanthanum. 57. Hafnium, tantalum, tungsten, rhenium, osmium, iridium, platinum, gold and mercury. Lanthanum 57 and then 72, 73 and so on we get. At mercury it is 8. Atomic number 8. Lanthanum, long tricks are long high tension wire. Long L, lanthanum, high hafnium, tension tantalum, wire W for tungsten. Long high tension wire R for rhenium. On O for osmium. Industrial plots. What is it? Iridium, IR, industrial. Iridium plot, P for platinum and A for gold and high oils. Hg for mercury. high oils. Remember, in this way, long high tension wire on industrial blocks and highways. Lanthanum, hafnium, tantalum, tungsten, rhenium, osmium, iridium, platinum, gold and mercury. Fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh. Seventh addition series start from actinium. Actinium 89, actinium, and then RF, Rutherfordium, dafnium, sibottium, borium, hassium, meitnerium. Borium, BH, hassium, meitnerium, tungstenium, roentgenium, Rg and copernicium. Okay. Actinium, it starts from actinium. The tricks are author R.T. Sharma. Okay, R.T. Sharma, author for actinium. R.D. Rutherfordium and dafnium. Sharma, sibottium. Sharma's book B for borium have more difficult reactions. Have more difficult reactions. How to match with these elements? Author actinium, R.T. Sharma's book. R for Rutherfordium, D for dafnium, Sharma's S for sibottium, book B for borium, have H, hassium, more M for meitnerium, difficult D for tungstenium. Reactions, it contains two elements, Rg for roentgenium and Cn for copernicium. So these are the D block elements and these are also called transition elements. So the rest is A block elements. These are also called inner transition elements. Why? Now these elements are within the transition element. They are classified into lanthanides and actinides. Lanthanides, cerium, to lutetium, 58 to 71. Cerium, at first we remember these elements matching with tricks. Say প্রথম নন্দিনীর প্রেম, সেই প্রথম, সেই সিরিয়াম প্রথম, পিয়ার রেজিওডিমিয়াম, নন্দিনীর নিওডিমিয়াম, এনডি, প্রেম প্রবিথিয়াম, সামনে ইউরোপিয়ান গুন্ডা, ইউরোপিয়ান গুন্ডা, ভেরি ইন্টারেস্টিং। সামনে এসএম ফর স্যামারিয়াম, ইউরোপিয়াম, ইউ ফর ইউরোপিয়াম, গুন্ডা we take GD for gadolinium, তা বলে দাঁড়ালে হবে, তা বলে we take TB for terbium, okay, দাঁড়ালে D we take DY dysprosium, HO for holmium, HO, তা বলে দাঁড়ালে হবে। আর তুমি এভাবে লুকালে, আর আরবিয়াম, TM for থুলিয়াম, এইভাবে ইটারবিয়াম, YB and LU, local LU for lutetium. Okay, so atomic number, the lanthanide sediment start from cerium, its atomic number is 58, and we told earlier when we move along the period, hence it is in sixth period, the atomic number is increasing by 1, 58, 59, 60 and so on to 71. Okay, these are also called rare earth elements. These are also called rare earth elements. Rare earth elements. All these elements are obtained rare in the earth. So these are called rare earth elements. Actinides. Actinides from thorium to lawrencium, 90 to 103. 90 to 103. Okay. These elements contain with cerium in the periodic table. These elements contain with actinium, so these are called actinides. Thorium, actinium, thorium. The tricks is আকাশ থেকে পাতা উড়ে, আকাশ থেকে পাতা উড়ে। অ্যাক্টিনিয়াম, TH for thorium, TA for protactinium, U for uranium। আকাশ থেকে পাতা উড়ে নিচে পড়ে, নিচে পড়ে, নিচে পড়ে। নেপচুনিয়াম, প্লুটোনিয়াম, PU নিচে পড়ে। আম কম বিক্রি, আম কম বিক্রি ক্যালিফোর্নিয়াতে, ক্যালিফোর্নিয়াতে। ওকে, আম এম হ্যামারসিয়াম, কম উই টেক CM কোরিয়াম, বিক্রি BK উই টেক BK বার্কেলিয়াম, Californium, CF আম কম বিক্রি ক্যালিফোর্নিয়াতে। আইনস্টাইন and Fermi, Einstein and Fermi. We take ES for Einsteinium, ES. We take FM, Fermi FM for Fermium, made Nobel law. Mate, we take MD for Mendelevium, Nobel law, Nobelium, NB, Lawrencium, LR. Nobelium, we take NO, not NB. Niobium, it is 41, NO, Nobelium, okay. So we just finished the 4 block elements, S, P, D and F block elements. So I think this is the most funniest way which will help you to remember these elements in order of their atomic number. So we got the colorful modern periodic table. It contains 4 blocks. This is S block, this is P block, which already I have discussed it, and this is D block, and this is F block. Okay, thanks for watching.